In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove volume in TradingView. If you've ever wanted a cleaner, distraction-free chart, removing the volume bars is a quick way to simplify what you're looking at without changing your data. We'll walk through the process so you know exactly where to click and what to expect. Start by opening the chart you want to work on in your TradingView account. Any symbol and time frame will do. Once the chart loads, you'll usually see the volume bars displayed in a separate pane at the bottom of the screen. That pane shows colored bars for each candle and helps visualize activity, but for some strategies, it's not needed and can take up vertical space. Next, look toward the top left corners of the chart area where TradingView lists your active items. This is the legend section, and it shows the symbol you're viewing and any indicators attached to the chart. Within that list, you should see an item labeled volume, sometimes abbreviated as volume. If your volume is in its own pane, that label will appear at the top left of that pane. Move your mouse pointer over the word volume. Don't click yet, just hover. As soon as your cursor is over it, TradingView reveals a small set of controls for that item. When you hover directly over the volume label, look just to the right of it. You'll see a small delete icon appear. Depending on your theme, it may look like a trash bin or a simple ice. Click that icon once. The volume pane disappears immediately, and your price chart will expand to fill the space that volume used to occupy. That's all there is to it. One clean click and the volume is removed from the chart. If you don't see the delete icon, make sure your cursor is precisely over the volume label in the legend, not elsewhere on the pane. Sometimes moving the mouse slightly left or right makes the icon appear. Also note that removing volume here only affects this chart layout. You aren't deleting any market data, and your other layouts or symbols won't be changed. This quick adjustment is great when you want more room for price action, trend lines, or other indicators that matter to your analysis. And if you ever change your mind, you can always bring volume back later. For now, enjoy the cleaner view and the extra chart space you've created with a single click. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you streamline your TradingView workspace.